This is what a lot of policy and onboarding training still looks like. A presenter, some PowerPoint slides, and perhaps a piece of generic stock footage. I'm Ellis Pratt from Cherryleaf, and we help organisations create clear policies and procedures and the related e-learning content. And we've been exploring how AI can give learning and development teams access to production techniques that previously required specialist animators, video editors, and much larger budgets. You can start with an existing policy or procedure. AI can help turn it into a presenter script and a storyboard, identifying where a visual explanation would help the learner. You can replace PowerPoint bulleted lists with dynamic motion graphics. You can add paper cut and Vox-style editorial animations, purposeful camera zooms, and animated graphics using your organization's fonts and colors. You can also create supporting scenes that are specific to the audience. Instead of generic office footage, you might show people wearing the correct uniform, working in a recognizable environment, and dealing with situations they might actually encounter. For online learning, AI can create branching scenarios, decision-making exercises, and useful feedback, rather than the 5-option multiple-choice question. Nearly all of this can be added to your existing production process. You do not necessarily need to replace your learning platform or start again. AI speeds up production, but people still need to check the accuracy, accessibility, privacy, consent, and learning control. You stay in control. The result isn't entertainment for its own sake. It's clearer, more relevant learning content that people are more likely to pay attention to. If you would like to discuss what this could look like for your policies, procedures, or onboarding content, then leave a message below or drop me a line.